how to use Netflix, quick basic guide to use Netflix. So if you all want to use Netflix as a beginner, it's actually quite simple. Now assuming you have already managed your subscription and subscribed to it, because I'm not going to get through that. If you want to learn how to do that, I have already made a separated tutorial on that on our channel, so you can simply search them on how you can create an account and subscribe to a Netflix account. After you've done that, you open the Netflix app and normally you log in. First thing is that you can create profiles, so that if you share your account, they can watch from each separate profile. You can tap the edit button here and you can manage a certain profile with its setting, whether you want to lock it or not lock it, and you can create up to 5 profiles and not more than that. And there is an option to add extra member. If you want to pay for it, then that's perfectly fine. Now normally after you log into one of your profiles, you will see this type of option where you'll be able to browse to different collections. You can use a search bar at the top right hand side to search for a certain app, or you can come to the home tab. Now if you want to get some games and discount, Netflix also opens up their own game center, so you can go ahead and download these apps from your Play Store. Some of these could be paid games, but because you have got a Netflix subscription, you will get them for free. And here you can go to Netflix My Netflix option. Here you can go to your profile and manage all of the profile, or you can tap the three lines option. Here you can manage profile. You can go to app settings to view your Wi-Fi and subtitle settings. Then you can go to account to manage your account related settings like a payment info, email, security info, password, access and devices that are currently logged in, and so on. Similarly, if you want to sign out, you can tap the sign out option. It's not really that complicated. You will get the hang of it once you begin to use it. So I hope this video helped you, and if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.